Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about if statement in Python. So I will use an list called transportation as an example. So I define the list called transportation with car, boat, and airplane. So on access the list element, say if x equal to car, I will print yes, car is available. Say else if x equal to boat, I will print that yes, boat is available. Else if x equal say airplane, I like to print out that thing is available. Else I print sorry, no other choices. So in other words, I try to go through this list through a for loop, but for each element, I will do if and else judgment. Alright, so yes, car is available, boat is available, airplane is available. So I want to add something else. L if x equal to bus, I will print yes, bus is available. But my element does not contain the bus option here. So again, I consider the bus is not printed here, right? So let me change that. Let me comment this. Use an age. Say have another list. Say have 12, 45, 39. So what if for the numbers, say 4x in age, if x equal to 12, print yes, 12 is found. If x equal to 45, say print yes, 45 is found. Else print yes, 39 is found. So let's run it. As you can see, they all print here, right? Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.